guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance Faux. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do a quick DIY for you. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I hope that you will like it and decide to become a subscriber and share with your family and friends the DIYs that we do here on this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for your love and your support, your comments. I truly, truly appreciate your participation. It means a lot to me, and it does encourage me to continue to do what I love to do and share with you guys. This DIY is going to be a mirror wall decor, and what you're going to need for this DIY is some gems. Excuse me. Walmart has a excuse me, have several different sizes, but this particular pack has 3 different sizes in there, so that's really nice. So you will need the pack of gems. These are from Hobby Lobby and they were $3.99, and you can use a 40% coupon on it. We're also going to need this gems. I want to show you. There's many different sizes. I want to say there's like 5 different sizes in here. Beautiful. These came from Michael's and they were on clearance for $3.99. I went ahead, separated the ones that I wanted, and they are to the side. Now, I went ahead and glued my mirror down, and you will need 4 different size mirror. The large one is $6.99, and that's from Joann's Fabric. It is a 12-inch and a 9-inch and a 6-inch and a small round. What we're going to do now is assemble all the gems on here, but first I want to mention you need your glue gun and your glue sticks. You will need additional sticks, so let me go ahead and prepare myself for my extra glue sticks. So the first thing we want to do is lay our stones out. Let's choose what we want to do first. Lay our stones out. These are like raindrops. I love these. So, let's move these cups out the way so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. There is no particular pattern that I'm doing right now. I'm just laying them out, see if I like the way they look. Make sure that the space is proportioned properly between each of these gems. So I'm just laying my gems out, and after I like the way they look, then I'll go back and start to glue them all together. And what I did is just pretty much took all the stones that's in the container. Okay, I think that's pretty good, pretty even. Now these are the circle. I like teal and green together, so I think that's what I'm going to go with. Teal and green. The teardrops or the raindrops, they are flush against the smaller mirror. And the circle ones, I'm just having it just a little bit away from the other mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and see what pattern works well for me. You can choose whatever it is that you prefer. Now, I must mention that whatever it is that I do, it's just my creation, my creativity. You can do, I just want to give you ideas. I want to provoke your thoughts, and you can take it from there and do whatever it is that you want. It is not set in stone for you. Okay? Oh, I was trying to tilt it. I'll have to wait till I glue it. Then I can tilt it and show you where I am. It is not set in stone. You can do whatever it is that works best for you. If you don't like this color, you don't have to use this color. Okay, I think I like the way that looks so far. I'm going to go ahead, finish up arranging my stones, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like before I move to the next step. Okay guys, so I've got them all in position where I want them right now. I haven't done the gems from Walmart. I'm just dealing with these right now. So I want to go ahead and take my glue and start putting them in place. Go slow because you have everything where you want it, and you don't want to not put them back where you got them from. Just like that. I'm going to work with the outside, and then I'll come back to the inside. Be generous with your glue because you want to make sure that you can maneuver. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead, glue all these down, and then I'll be back to show you where I am. Okay? So guys, I'm at the last two and wanted to bring you in so that you can see just exactly how I am applying it. So lay some glue down on the gem. Get close to the mirror, lay it down, make sure it's centered where you want it to be. Press down on it. Take the diamond shape, which is a square. Lay it so you can hold. Line it up together and press. You're going to do the same. Make sure everything is lined up, then press. Okay, this is the last one, and then I'll be able to do the middle. So first you want to take your teardrops or your, I think it reminds me of a rain drop. Okay, make sure it's straight, press down, and then you can do the rest. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start to glue the middle. That's pretty simple and self-explanatory, so I don't have to do that one. Everything is in position where I want it to be, and so I'm just going to glue them in place. I'll do one with you. Take it, glue down. Make sure, my goal is to have everything lining up with each other. Okay, just like that. I'll be back. So guys, I am adding these little gems, which are from the Hobby Lobby, and I went ahead and did most of them and wanted to show you the last few pieces. So I put them down in the place that I want them first to get an idea what they look like. I liked it, and so once I've done that and I liked it, I went ahead and glued them down. So this is the look of my mirror art right now. I do want to add in the center of these the Walmart gems I mentioned earlier. So, for every one of the little gems from Hobby Lobby, I'm just going to insert the tiny gem stone. That makes such a difference. I love that. And it fits in perfectly, guys. That is awesome. And if the adhesive is not sticking, of course you can always go ahead and add the hot glue. So this is how it's turning out with the little gems in the center. I'm going to go ahead and do the end part, add the gems to the end, and come back and see where we'll go from there. So guys, I felt as though I needed a trim for my mirror, so it's not just look like sharp ends. So I took some green glue sticks and just went slowly, very slowly around the edge. I just wanted to come back and show you guys how I did that. And just like that. I think this end may need a little bit more. Just add a little bit more wherever you need it. Okay, and I think that will be it for this mirror. I hope that you guys like it. I'm going to place it on the wall, and you guys let me know what you think. Hi guys, okay, so this is how it turned out. I really love the way it looks. Now, if you remember, I had the border on there, didn't care for the border, so after I got it up, I had to remove the border, and I think it looks much nicer. I didn't think it would, but it does. I hope that you guys like it as much as I do, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate it. Please leave me a comment, let me know what your thoughts are, and I will see you tomorrow on my next DIY. Thank you.